What if I told you that in 2026, people are getting paid to play games on their phones, laptops, and consoles without being pro gamers, streamers, or sports champions? I'm not talking about scams, fake crypto promises, or any of that download this app and get rich nonsense. In this video, I'm breaking down the real, tested, and legit ways beginners are making money playing games online in 2026. These are methods you can start today, even if you have 0 followers, 0 experience, and just basic gaming skills. And you'll definitely want to watch till the end, because method number 5 is the most underrated one, and it's quietly paying people every single month. So, why is 2026 the best year to make money from gaming? Well, gaming is no longer just entertainment. The global gaming industry is now worth hundreds of billions of dollars. Mobile gaming is absolutely dominating emerging markets, meaning more players and more opportunities than ever before. Plus, incredible AI tools now make content creation easier than it's ever been. Companies are now paying gamers directly for things like feedback, gameplay data, and even just their attention. And the best part, you don't need an expensive gaming setup or a massive audience to get started. Let's break down the real ways this all works. Let's kick things off with method number 1, getting paid to test games. This is super beginner-friendly. Game developers need real players to test their new games, find bugs, give honest feedback, and play beta versions before they launch to the public. That's where paid game testing comes in. As a beginner, you can earn money just by playing unfinished games, reporting any glitches you find, and recording your gameplay reactions. Some platforms will pay you per test, while others might pay you per hour. So, why does this work so well in 2026? Because game studios now prefer real, human players over bots or AI testers. They want to know how an actual person feels playing their game. A quick pro tip for you: when you sign up for these platforms, always complete your profile honestly. Developers aren't just looking for hardcore gamers. They often need casual players to make sure their game is fun for everyone. So don't pretend to be a pro if you re-not your perspective as a casual player is valuable. Skill-based gaming platforms let you compete in games you already love, like puzzles, shooters, racing games, sports, or strategy games, and win real cash based on your performance. You can enter free tournaments or ones with a low entry fee to get started. You don't have to be the best player in the world, you just need to be consistent. In 2026, many of these platforms have gotten really smart. They now match players by skill level, so you're not going up against a pro on your first day. They offer daily cash challenges and allow mobile users to compete with people from all over the globe. But there's one important rule here: never chase your losses. Treat this as a skill-based side hustle, not a trip to the casino. Play smart, have fun, and focus on improving your skills over time. Alright, method number 3 is for everyone who wants to make money from game content without ever showing their face. That's right, you don't need to be a streamer, you don't need a fancy microphone, and you definitely don't need to be on camera. In 2026, people are making serious money by posting gameplay clips, creating no-commentary walkthroughs, uploading AI-enhanced gaming videos, and sharing tips, secrets, and funny fails. The platforms that pay for this, usually indirectly, are the ones you already know: YouTube through ads, and affiliate links, TikTok, and Shorts through their creator funds and the traffic they generate, and even Facebook gaming. So, what's working best right now? Short, exciting clips taken from your longer gameplay sessions. Focusing on one game to build a niche audience, and consistency over perfection. Don't worry about making every video flawless. The truth is, most of the biggest viral gaming channels out there started with 0 subscribers and a simple screen recording. You can too. Let's move on to method 4, which is more advanced but incredibly powerful: selling in-game items and accounts. In some games, you can earn rare skins, collect powerful weapons or characters, level up accounts, and unlock premium assets. In 2026, these digital items have real-world value. Gamers are making money by farming rare items and selling them, selling boosted or high-level accounts, trading cosmetic skins, and even offering leveling services to other players. But here's an important warning: you must always follow the game's rules. Only trade on platforms and in ways that the game developers allow. Violating the terms of service can get your account banned, and you'll lose everything. This method works best if you focus on one popular game, take the time to learn its economy inside and out, and specialize in one type of asset, whether that's a rare item or a leveling service. Now for method number 5, the one I mentioned at the beginning, the most underrated method of all, getting paid to play games for data and rewards. This one doesn't get nearly enough attention. Big companies, from market research firms to major brands, will now pay gamers for their gameplay data, their engagement time, and their behavioral patterns. You earn money simply by playing selected games, completing in-game missions, earning points, and then redeeming those points for cash or gift cards. Let's be real, you're not going to get rich with this method. But it is consistent, it's completely legitimate, and it's super beginner-friendly. This is the perfect option if you already play games daily and you want to earn some side income with zero pressure. It is a great way to dip your toes into online earning and get paid for something you're already doing. As a beginner in 2026, making a couple of dollars a day, maybe $2 to $5, is a realistic start. With some consistency, earning $50 to $300 a month is definitely achievable. The real scaling comes later, when you specialize in content creation or an advanced method like trading. Gaming income grows slow at first, but then it compounds. The people who fail are the ones who jump between different methods every week, expect to get rich quick, and quit before they see any real progress. Before you start, you need to know about the common scams to avoid. If you see anything promising guaranteed income, asking you to pay to unlock your earnings, promoting weird crypto mining games, or demanding instant withdrawal before you even play a run, just run away. Legit gaming income always requires either your time or your skill. It will never ask you for upfront fees, and it always pays you after you provided some kind of value. So, what's the final advice for beginners starting today? It's simple. First, pick one method from this list that excites you. Second, stick with one game that you enjoy playing. Third, be consistent for at least 30 days. And fourth, track your results and see what's working. Then, you can scale what's effective. Gaming isn't just fun anymore, it's a real digital skill that you can monetize. If this video helped you out, do me a favor and hit that like button so more gamers can see it. And subscribe if you want more real online income strategies that actually work. I'd love to hear from you in the comments below. Which method are you going to start with in 2026? Your controller might just be your next income tool.